Hi guys, I'm gonna do a video today about my fidget spinners. I got one fidget cube, so let's get right into this. First, we're gonna do the yellow fidget spinner. Oh, spins. So silent, isn't it? I got it at Gordy's. Cast it. ND. Next, we're gonna do my fidget cube. Can you see these 5 buttons? Just fidget with these. You just keep on pressing it. So I don't like pressing this. And I think this is like a little tiny, like this is almost like a 3DS thing, but you can like go down too, like do this. And there's this button, so you don't need to waste your lights. Like if you like flipping that switch off and on and off and on and off and on, you just get a fidget cube. Do this all day. Now we got like this spinning thing. It's almost like the fidget spinner, but it's not. So I got a little tiny spinning. And I think there's like a thumb tap. You just do this. It's so soft. Oh, I forgot to review this. This is like a rolling ball. You can see rolls a little bit. These are like tiny little gears. And you spin all of them 3 at once. And that's it with the fidget cube. And now I'm gonna show off like my blue fidget spinner. Get this on Amazon. I think it's high speed. Fast backwards. So fast. You want to review them again? You can quit the video right now if you want, but I'm just going to review them without talking now. Show you on screen. If you just want to quit the video if you want. Like the video if you liked it. Just so you know that noise out in the background, my mom vacuuming. If you wanted to just know. Guys, If you want a house tour, like the video or subscribe to my channel right now if you want to. And please hit that notification bell to know when my videos are uploaded. Bye guys! See you next time on my YouTube.